My name is Gloria Fulleron and I'm one of the founders here at Lean Time. Today we're going to go over how to use our AI status update feature. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future content, and let's take a look. So now we're going to take a look at our AI status update features. You can see here that I am on the home screen when you log in, the little icon right here. So this is the individual user's view. And here Leo, our little AI bot, is asking for us to prepare our status update. Take a look at our assigned tasks and add an update. And then I can click here to see where the updates are needed. So adding short updates to each task. This is a task. Here's another sample to do to rate. So this task, we'll just make something up. I was skipping across the field and found a mouse. Save update. It goes away. And this is another one. I probably wouldn't start a task that said I really don't want to start this work unless we were organizing just for ourselves. But we can also say, here's another update. And then I was locked on this one until the good fairy came and said, no more bopping field mice on the head. And now we're all done. No more updates needed. If I don't have anything to update, it says, hey, go ahead, just do no update this week. And ta-da, I've got this all set up. So now I can go into status reports, status updates. And this is an upcoming draft. I have all my status updates in. Marcel is pending 2 tasks. And I can regenerate and give this a minute. And then we'll see what changed. So no high priority tasks mentioned in the updates. Team is 3 new tasks and 4 active tasks. 1 task was blocked, none were waiting. I am actually really impressed that it didn't mention my field mice. Maybe a little disappointed, but I tried. So that's actually some good filtering for anything that may not need to be in a status report. So these are pre-formatted based on Marcel's experience as a program manager, where he sent lots and lots of status updates. So following some of his favorite guidelines on what he sends out, this was born. You can see the milestones and then goals, and then I can take this and send my update. But let's go back and make sure that's what we want to do. There's a send draft and a save draft. So here we're going to hit the yes. We want this to move into a finalized state. And it's been sent. So when this sends out, it sends out to all of the people who are assigned to the project. And then for review purposes, we can always open this up and look at this again. You don't see goals here because this project is not built out with any goals at the moment, but you can go back and be able to look at all previous status updates. Now to be able to collect these status updates, we would go into AI settings under an individual product setting. And then we're going to decide how often we want a status update to be generated. So weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. And then days in advance for user notifications. So if reports are generated or assumed to be generated right now in its current state on every Friday. So if I want to give 3 days in advance for users to go ahead and update their tasks, this will then update on, I think, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So your team and whoever you need to update tasks will see their notice on that time frame. It saved and then reloaded. You can see that it's still there. The AI persona doesn't cross over to the status updates because we assume that your stakeholders don't want a boisterous pirate to send off their reports. But that's a quick overview of our AI status update and how to use it. So here at Lean Time, we see the role of generative AI as being a tool that really augments the human experience at work. So for the status update feature, that really looks like giving people the ability to create their own terms around when they are updating tasks, or in the case of a PM, getting back a day and a half that was previously spent on chasing users around or team members around for updates and compiling a status report.